So today dumating na ang Umidigi A7S smartphone na pinadala sa atin ng Banggood.com. Aalamin natin kung sulit nga ba or worth it ang smartphone na to given ng napakamurang price niya na umaabot lang ng 3,800 pesos. Also, pandemic ready ba tong phone ito? Aalamin natin ngayon. Our sponsor for this video is CDKOFFERS, kung saan pwede ka bumili ng legit license keys. Just simply go to CDKOFFERS.com. Pagkatapos mong hanapin kung ano Windows license ang kailangan mo, simply click on the Buy Now button. I-sign in mo lang ang Gmail o Facebook account mo gamit na integrated login button nila. Para makatipid ka ng 20% sa kahit anong purchase mo, just enter DUDE20. Pagkatapos niya, dadaling ka na sa payment gateways. Once na mabayadan mo na, you'll immediately receive the key and ma-activate mo na ito agad sa Windows mo. Also, if you want to watch my full review sa CDKOFFERS, I'll be placing a link somewhere here or there. So what's up and welcome back, it's your Tech Edit here. So nasabi kong pandemic ready itong phone na to. Bakit nga ba? It's because isa sa mga pinaka-highlight na entry-level ng smartphone nito ay ang kanyang non-contact digital infrared thermometer. Mayroon itong digital infrared thermometer na kayang bumasa ng temperature na may layong 1 to 3 centimeters ideally. Simply press the button here dito sa gilid and automatically bubukas na yung thermometer app niya. Pwede ka rin pumunta sa tools upang ma-activate ang thermometer functionalities niya, and it can scan the temperature of a person or an object. So to test it out, I tried checking my temperature at tinest ko na rin kung gumagana talaga siya. Kaya chinek ko na rin kung ano yung temperature ng refrigerator namin, and it was able to detect 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. So much so with the thermometer functionalities, let's now talk about the specs ng phone na to. Ang Umidigi A7S ay gumagamit ng MediaTek MT6739 CPU at malaking battery capacity na may 4,150 mAh na kayang mag-last around 1 to 2 days of no charging. Type-C na rin ang charging port nito, pero ang maximum charging current ng Umidigi A7S ay 10 watts lang. Ang kasamang charger nito is only capable of charging a maximum of 5 watts. Meron rin itong 2GB na RAM na medyo may kaliitan, lalong-lalo na kung mahilig ka mag-multitask at maglaro. As for the storage, mayroon siyang 32GB internal storage na sa panahon ngayon hindi masyadong malaki since malaki na ang mga file size ng videos, photos, and apps na kayang-kayang lamunin lang ito. Additionally, may mga system files na kakain na ng storage ng phone around 5 to 6GB upon initial setup pa lang, so you're left with only around 26 to 27GB na free space. Luckily, posible sa phone na to na maglagay ka ng micro SD card in case na gusto mong extend ang storage capacity niya. Ang camera ng Umidigi A7S ay 8 megapixel na selfie camera at 13 megapixel na main camera na ultra-wide lens. Ganito ang image quality ng A7S. Mayroon rin siyang portrait mode. Pagdating sa low light, hindi siya nagpa-perform well since you can see lots of noticeable noise dahil na rin sa pag-compensate ng phone sa madilim na environment by cranking up the ISO. Pero if well lit yung environment, it can shoot good quality photos. Pagdating naman sa video, don't expect so much for the video kasi 1280 by 720 o 720p lang ang maximum na video quality na kaya ng phone nito. Mayroon itong dual slot na SIM card at capable of global LTE bands. Unfortunately, hindi pa 5G ready itong device nito. Supported at compatible ang 4G sa device nito, including 4G VO LTE in both SIM slots. Hindi siya capable makapaglaro lalong-lalo na sa mga resource-intensive games o graphics-demanding games kasi you'll experience hiccups in gaming performance since 2GB lang ang RAM nito at hindi gaanong kalakasan ng processor at GPU na mayroon ito, which is the PowerVR G8100 that has been around already since year 2014 or 2015. Additionally, another downside sa phone na ito that I've discovered is that it uses an Android 10 Go edition. Initially, iisipin mo Android and Android Go, parehas lang naman yun, di ba? Actually, hindi. I did some research and learned that ang Android Go edition ay isang lighter version ng Android na kung saan may mga features na naka-disabled upang gumanda ang performance despite na low-end hardware lang ang mayroon ang isang particular smartphone. Since low-end hardware equipped lang ang phone na to, dahil na rin sa napakamura niya lang, expect that resource-intensive apps like screen recorder or even the bubble feature ng Messenger ay posibleng hindi rin gumana dito. Dahil isa sa mga features na disabled ay ang draw over other apps feature ng Android. So kahit na pinadala to sa akin ng Banggood, I'll still provide my final and honest verdict for this smartphone. So for my honest review with Umidigi A7S, may mga specific use cases na kung saan sulit ang smartphone nito. Some establishments during these times of pandemic need a thermometer gun, so one way to cut the cost is to just use this phone instead. So hindi lang thermometer gun ang purpose niya, pwede na rin gamitin as smartphone to scan QR codes for contact tracing apps, let's say for example kung kinakailangan. As for end users na naghahanap lang ng murang smartphone, may decent picture quality na rin ang phone na to. And if napakasikip ng budget mo, worth na rin tong phone na to since it only costs around 3,800 pesos on Banggood.com. By the way, the link is in the description down below in case na hinahanap nyo. However, for gamers at high-end users o mga gustong good quality photos and videos, then this smartphone is not for you. This phone is tailored to be an entry-level smartphone para na rin maging pasok sa budget ang price niya, kaya in turn, low-end hardware lang ang mayroon ito at hindi gaano kaganda ang camera features, especially for the video. So hopefully you gained something on this video. Feel free to leave your comments and feedback as to whether may mga natutunan kayo about sa phone na to. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe na. It's your TECHY here. See you in my next videos.